Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my August Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So I know I haven't posted a new video in like a couple weeks. The last video that I posted was my Jeffree Star mystery box, and right after, or the day after I posted that video, I went on a camping trip for like 5 days, and then when we got back from the camping trip, my window blinds they broke, and I do my makeup and film my videos in front of my window. I don't have like box lights or ring lights. I don't use any lighting. I just sit in front of the window and use the natural lighting. So when my blinds broke, I couldn't film videos because the sun like blares into my window, so it was like way too bright. I like couldn't see anything. So I finally got blinds the other day, so that's why I haven't filmed for a little while. So the theme for Boxycharm this month is totally Boxycharm. This is what the card looks like, and I got variation number 2. It's right here. It's on the front of the card for some reason. Usually it's on like the back with all the products that you get, so it took me a while to like figure out what variation I got. So yeah, it's on the front of the card for some reason. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is this Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is in the shade Chic. It's just a wooden lip liner, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, mauvey brown color. That's the swatch of it. It's really pretty. The lip liner retails for $15. The next thing that I got in my box is from Tarte, and it's their Big Ego mascara. Now I was hoping to get the Peach and Lily, I think that's what it's called. It's like a face serum. You could either get that or you could get the mascara, and I got the mascara, which I mean is okay. It's not the end of the world, but the Tarte Big Ego mascara retails for $23, and this is what the packaging looks like. This color is like so neon pink. It like almost looks like it's glowing, and if I stare at it too long, it hurts my eyes. But this is what the wand looks like. It kind of reminds me of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got that in one of my Boxycharms like a few months ago. I don't like that mascara. So, and then the next thing that I got in my box is from Wander Beauty, and it's their Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. That's what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, light pink. And the facial oil retails for $42, which is a lot, but Wander Beauty has like really good ingredients, and all of their products are really high quality. So, and then the next thing that I got in my box is from Becca. It's the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh loose powder, and the powder retails for $39. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a little reflective, and I did get fingerprints on it because I used it already. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then you open it up, and it has this really nice like little plastic lid that lifts open to keep the powder like locked in there. So, and then the last thing that I got in my box is from Ace Beauty, or Ace Beaut. I'm not really sure how to say that name, but it's the Glimmer Shadow little duo, and this retails for $25. So I got the shades Cotton Candy. This is the shade Cotton Candy. And then the other shade that I got is Ice Latte. So as you can see, I clearly did my like base makeup already, and I did use the facial oil from Wander Beauty. I kind of used it as like my primer, and it says, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. It does have a really light like fragrance to it, but it just kind of smells like skincare, and it's, like I said, it's super light. So that's what the little dropper looks like, and I'll drop some on the back of my hand. It's like this light shimmery pink, and like it said, it's supposed to just hydrate your skin and give it like a nice glow and bouncy texture. And even though it is an oil, it doesn't feel like greasy or oily, because after I rubbed it in, it absorbed pretty well. Because like I said, I use this as like my primer, so it made my face feel like super soft, and my foundation and everything went on really nice like over top of it. So I'm definitely gonna keep using this. So yeah, first impressions, I really like this. I really love Wander Beauty, so I'm excited to have this. And then for the Becca Hydra Mist powder, I did already use this. I used it to set my concealer and the rest of my face. I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and then for my concealer I used the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. But yeah, like I said, I use this to set my concealer and then the rest of my face. And the cool thing about this powder is that it's formulated with 50% water and glycerin, so when you put it on your face, it has this like cold, wet sensation. It's like the coolest thing ever. Like when you're putting it on, it literally feels like you're putting like water on your face. It's so cool. So if you didn't get Boxycharm this month, definitely go to like Sephora or wherever this is sold, and if they have it on like display, definitely like touch it on the back of your hand, because like I said, it feels so cool, and it literally just feels like wet. So I used it today, and it set my makeup really well and my concealer, and my face is like really soft and smooth, and it almost has like a blurring effect. So I'll obviously I will have to keep using this to see like how it works with my foundation and how it makes my makeup last and all that throughout the day. So first impressions, I really like it. Like I said, the cold and like wet sensation is kind of like cool. So and I like that it gives a blurring effect. So I like this so far. I will keep testing it out. So for the little eyeshadow duo, I did put some shadows in my crease already just to save some time. I used some shadows from the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. So these little eyeshadows from Ace Beauty remind me of ColourPop Super Shock shadows. Like the packaging and everything is literally like a ColourPop Super Shock shadow. So like I said, I got the shades Cotton Candy and Iced Latte. So I'm gonna swatch Cotton Candy. Yeah, it's literally exactly like a ColourPop Super Shock shadow. So if you've tried those before, that's exactly what they look and feel like. Wow, this shade is pretty. So this is Cotton Candy. This shade is super pretty. It's like a rose gold with like gold sparkles in it. And then this bottom shade is Iced Latte, which is super pretty. It's like a bronzy gold almost. So I'm not sure like how I want to use these shades. I definitely want to use both of them. And like I said, I did already put some mattes in my crease. I think I kind of want to put Iced Latte on like kind of like the outer half of my eye, and then used Cotton Candy on maybe like the inner, or I could use Iced Latte like all over the lid and then used Cotton Candy on like the lower lash line. I really don't know what I want to do, so I'm just gonna go into Iced Latte first and just put it on my eye and see how the look will go. Wow, that shade is super pretty. It's more of like a copper bronze. And like I said, this is pretty much exactly like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, which I love those, so I definitely love these already. Oh, that shade is so pretty. I don't know if I want to put that just all over the lid or if I should put cotton candy on like this inner portion. I wish you guys could like tell me what to do because I can't make up my mind. It definitely kind of has like light purple like sparkle or glitter in it. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but this shade is like super pretty. Like I said, it's like a copper bronze with some like really light purple glitter. It's super unique. I really like it. Okay, so I put the cotton candy shade on that like inner portion. Sorry, my nails are like super chipped, so but yeah, I just put the cotton candy shade on the inner portion, and then I took a little bit more of iced latte and I kind of just blended them. I blended them together in like the center, so it fades from that cotton candy shade to the iced latte, and I think I like it. I don't know how well you can tell like the two different colors, but I think it's pretty, so I'm just gonna finish up the other eye and then I will be right back. Okay, so I actually ended up changing my mind. I ended up just going over the cotton candy part with iced latte, so I just have iced latte all over my top lid, and then I went in with cotton candy, this shade, on my lower lash line, and then for my inner corner and brow bone highlight is still from the BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette, so I think that I like that a lot better. So now for the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Now I'm still gonna put on fake lashes after I put this on because I just like fake eyelashes, and most mascaras don't do anything for my lashes, so I don't really have high expectations for this mascara. So now the only thing that I look for in a mascara is as long as it doesn't flake or smudge, so I'll see how this mascara does throughout the day, because like I said, I just put fake lashes on top anyways, so I don't know how well you can see that, but that's just one light coat of the Big Ego mascara from Tarte. Like I said, most mascaras don't do anything for my lashes. I don't have good lashes to begin with anyways, so it does look really pretty though, but like I said, I'm gonna be putting on fake lashes anyways, but I figured I would still at least try it on camera, and I mean, it did give my lashes a little lift, like more than my other mascaras do, so we'll see if this flakes throughout the day. If it doesn't flake, then I will keep using it, and if I end up like not liking it or whatever, I'll probably just give it to my mom or maybe wait till it dries out a little bit more, because usually when mascaras dry out a little bit more, I tend to like them better. So it seems like it's an alright mascara. I definitely would not pay like $23 for it, but since I did get it in the box, I will keep using it and trying it. So I'm just gonna go put on some lashes, finish up my face, and then I will be back to try on the lip liner. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like using the little duo from Ace Beauty. I really love these eyeshadows because, like I said before, they're pretty much the same thing as the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and I love those, but I really love these shades. Like, I really love Iced Latte. It's like a really nice coppery bronze, but then it has that really cool, like, super light bluish purple like glitter in it. I think it's really pretty and unique. And then I love the Cotton Candy shade, which is the one on my lower lash line. It's just a really pretty rose gold with like gold glitter in it. It's super pretty. I really love these little eyeshadows and the look that I created. So for my face, I used my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. For my blush, I used the Laura Geller Baked blush in the shade Tropic Hues. I haven't used this in a super long time, so I figured I would use it today. I felt like it goes pretty well with the eyes. And then for my highlighter, I used the Balm Mary Luminizer. This is just a little sample size that I got in one of my Ipsies. So now for the Steve Laurent lip liner. Like I said, this is in the shade Chic, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. So this is what the lip liner looks like. I think my lips are a little uneven. I'm not very good at putting on lip liner because I don't do it that often, but it is a really pretty like mauve-y brown. I really like the shade of this, and it went on pretty nice. It's not like the creamiest lip liner I've ever tried, but it didn't like tug or pull on my lips, so I like it. I really like the color, so I'm just going to put on the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Mocha on top because I thought that it might go well together. So yeah, that was everything in my August 2019 Boxycharm. I think this month was pretty good. I liked everything. Like I said, I kind of wish I would have gotten the serum instead of the mascara, but who knows, maybe the more I use this, the more I like it, because it does seem to be like a little drier formula than the Too Faced Better Than Sex, because like I said, I don't really like that mascara. The formula is just too wet, so I'm definitely gonna keep using this. Maybe I'll like it the more I use it. So, and then I really love the facial oil. I've been really into skincare and just trying to take better care of my skin, so I'm happy to have another facial oil. It's really nice. It made my skin feel super like soft and hydrated, so I'm excited to keep using this. And then like I said, I really like the setting powder, like First Impressions. I think the coolest thing about it is that it does have that like cold, like wet feeling to it, but it did seem to set my makeup really nice, and like I said, it gave my skin like a blurring effect, so I really like it. I will have to keep testing it, obviously, but so far I like it. I really love the Ace Beauty little glimmer eyeshadows. They're just super pretty, and like I said earlier, they're just super sparkly, and they're like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, so I'm definitely gonna keep using these. I really love the Iced Latte shade, but both are really pretty, so I like those. And then I like the lip liner. I like the color of it. Like I said, it's not like the most creamiest lip liner, but it's still creamy. It didn't like tug at my lips, so I'm gonna keep using this, and I like the color. I like that it's a little deeper because I go for lip colors like this, and I don't have like a deeper lip liner to match most of them, so now I do. I'm gonna be using this a lot, so yeah, I think this month was pretty good. Let me know what you got in your box. I would love to know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.